Una welcome to this Obonge channel where we dey learn computer with pidgin. My name na Eremoguru. Na me plus other teacher for simple concept tech go teach you now for this channel. We hope so una go like am. This na continuation of where we been stop for types of computer. We been stop for tablet computer. This na example of tablet computer. Make we enter server computer. Server na computer wey dey give other computer dem information for network. For example, when you dey use the internet, you dey look for something wey dem store for server. Other types of computer dey equal. Plenty of today's electronic na basically specialized computer. Though we no dey always think am like that. Here na some common examples. Smartphones. Many cell phones fit do the same thing wey computer dey do, including browsing the internet and playing games. Dem dey always call them smartphones. Wearables. Wearable technology na general guy name for group of devices, including fitness trackers, wey dem dey designed make people wear throughout the day. The general name for these devices na wearable for short. Game console. Game console na specialized type of computer wey dem dey use play video game for TV. TVs. Many TVs now include applications or app wey fit let you access various types of online content. For example, you fit stream video from the internet directly onto your TV. Na so e take be. PCs and Macs. Personal computers dey come in two main styles, wey be PC and Mac. Both of them dey work well, but dem get different looks and feels, and many people prefer one pass the other. PCs. This type of computer been start with original IBM PC wey dem introduce for 1981. Other companies come dey create similar computer wey dem dey call IBM PC compatible with guy name PC. Today, na this type of computer na im full everywhere, and na typically Microsoft Windows operating system e dey come with. Macs. They introduced Macintosh for the year 1984, and na him be the first computer wey dem sell pass with graphic user interface, or GUI, pronounced GUI. Na only one company wey be Apple dey make all Mac, and na only Mac OS X operating system dem dey almost use for every system wey dem produce. Lesson 3. Part of computers. The basic part of computer na computer case, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power cord. Each part get important role wey dem dey play whenever you use the computer. The computer case. The computer case na the metal or plastic box wey contain the main components of the computer, including the motherboard, central processing unit or CPU in bracket, and power supply. The front of the case dey always come with on or off button and one or more optical drive. E get different shapes and sizes of computer case. A desktop case lies flat on the desk, and the monitor always sits on top of it. A tower case dey tall and sits next to the monitor or on the floor. All in one computers dey come with the internal component built into one monitor, which eliminates the need for the separate case. The monitor. The monitor dey work with video card wey dey located inside the computer case to display images and text on the screen. Most monitors have control buttons wey dey allow you to change your monitor display settings, and some monitors also get inbuilt speakers. Newer monitors dey come with LCD, that is liquid crystal display, or LED, light emitting diode display. This can be made very thin, and dem dey always call am flat panel display. Old monitors dey use CRT, that is cathode ray tube displays. Cathode ray tube displays are much larger, heavier, and take up more desk space. The keyboard na one of the main ways of communicating with the computer. E get many types of keyboards, but most of them dey similar and e go allow you to accomplish the same basic task. This is an example of keyboard. The mouse. Mouse na another important tool to communicate with computer. Dem dey commonly call am pointing device. E dey let you point to object on screen, click am, select am, move am, or do anything wey you wan do. Dem get two main types of mouse, the optical mouse and the mechanical mouse. The optical mouse dey use electronic eye to detect movement and dey easier to use. The mechanical mouse, if you no fit clean am, the thing no go work well. The movement go dey retard. E go dey give you small problem, so cleaning dey needed all the time. Mouse alternatives. Dem get other devices wey fit do the same thing wey mouse dey do. Many people find dem easier to use, and they also require less desk space than a traditional mouse. The most common mouse alternative na the one wey we go show you below. The trackball. The trackball get robo wey dey rotate freely. Instead of moving the device around like mouse, you fit just dey roll the ball with your thumb. Then you go dey click the way wey you want am. E require less desk space. Touchpad. The touchpad, also called the trackpad, na touch-sensitive pad wey dey let you control the pointer by making drawing motion with your fingers. Dem dey commonly find am for laptop systems. Hope say una enjoy this lesson. Make una drop una questions and una views for the comment section below. We go continue later. Abeg make una help us click the like button and the subscribe button for every new lessons wey we post. Una well.